our class, please all stand. We will have our prayer. So, any representative to lead the prayer. Yes, please. Good morning, class. Before you will take your seat, please pick up some pieces of paper under your chairs and arrange your chairs properly. You may sit down. So, I have here and classroom rules. Let me introduce to you our classroom rules. Let me read the classroom rules. So, classroom rules. Be quiet when the teacher is talking. Respect and listen when your classmates share their ideas. Listen to the teacher's instruction and be attentive all the time. Raise your hand if you have an answer or a question. So, is that clear? So, who can recall our topic last meeting? Yes, please. So, very good. It's all about derivative. So, who can define derivative? Very good. It seems that you really understand and remember our last topic. So, let me introduce our new topic for today. So, but before that, I have here objectives. So, I will read our objectives. So, at the end of the lesson, 75% of the students are expected to define the antiderivative, know what is the function of antiderivative, and show interest during class discussion in group activity. So, these objectives you will encounter in our lesson for today. So, before that, or before we will start our class, I have here an activity. So, activity named word search. So, direction. Find the following words and encircle the words. You may find the words vertically, horizontally, and diagonally. So, before we will begin our group activity, this is the group activity because I will group you into 3 groups. So, you will find the following words. I have here, this is where you find the words. So, okay. So here, you will find the words antiderivatives, integral, indefinite, power rule, and reverse. So, I will group you into 3 groups. So, count please. Now, go to your respective group. So, I will give you only 5 minutes, 2 minutes to do this activity. So, the timer starts now. Are you done? So, let's check your papers. So, exchange your papers on the other group. So, here. This is the word antiderivatives. Who got the correct answer of these first words? Very good. Now, the next word is integral. So, this is the word integral. Integral. Next is indefinite. This is the word indefinite. We can find there. So, next is power rule. Power rule. So, na siya clue. The last words is reverse. Reverse. So, who got the perfect score? So, very good. You're all very good. So, at the end of this discussion, we will define these words. So, now, let's define. So, who can guess the topic? Our topic for today. Very good. It's all about antiderivative. So, let's define antiderivative by doing this activity. Here. Let me read. So, activity 2, complete me. Direction, complete the sentence using the word inside the box. So, you can complete this sentence using the words inside the box. So, here, this is the words I mean. So, now, in the same group, in the same group, you will answer this one in 1 minute. 1 minute only. I will give you 1 minute because it is so simple to do this activity. The timer starts now. So, are you done? So, in this sentence, what is the first words? We will put this blank. Okay, very good. It's antiderivatives. Antiderivatives. Next words. Indefinite. Indefinite integral. And power rule. And the last one is reverse. So, let's all read. So, antiderivatives involves the indefinite integral, power rule, and reverse differentiation. So, later on, we will discuss about antiderivatives. So, who can define antiderivative using or based on your own opinion or perspective? What is antiderivative? Yes, as what I have said, that antiderivative involves the indefinite integral power rule in reverse differentiation. So, I have here a meaning of antiderivatives. So, antiderivative is a function that can be differentiated to get back the original function. It's also known as the indefinite integral inverse derivative and primitive function. So, the antiderivative, it is the function can be differentiated. So, it means this is the function that we can differentiate. So, it is also known as indefinite integral. So, this one, indefinite integral, inverse derivative, and primitive function. So, this is the formula of antiderivative. So, the integral of f, quantity of x, dx is equals to f, quantity of x plus c. So, the formula represents the antiderivative where it is the function whose derivative is the constant of integration. So, this is the formula of antiderivative. So, para masabtan yun ninyo, I will give an example. This one. Example. Find the antiderivative of x. F is the quantity of x is equals to x. So, solution. To find the antiderivative, we apply power rule. So, we cannot solve the antiderivative kung wala ang power rule. So, this is the given. So, integral of 2x dx is equals to 2x 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 plus c. So, the power rule formula is x n plus 1 over n plus 1. So, this is the power rule formula. So, let's substitute this one. So, 2x squared, mahimo siyang 2x squared kay 1 plus 1 is equals to 2 over 2 because 1 plus 1 is equals to 2 plus c. Don't forget to put plus c because if ever your answer is x squared but walay plus c, it is wrong because plus c is the constant. So, this is the answer. So, cancel out 2 divided by 2, 0. So, 1, it means x squared plus c. So, thus the antiderivative is fx is equals to x squared plus c. So, the integral of 2x dx is equals to x squared plus c. So, this is the answer. So, next, the antiderivative power rule. So, the antiderivative rule of power of x is the given by the integral of xn dx is equals to x by the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c, where n, this is the rule, is commonly known as antiderivative power rule. So, I will discuss about power rule. So, this is the example of power rule, same as the example of antiderivative using power rule. So, the integral of 4x cubed dx is equals to the integral of xn dx, or the integral of x squared cubed is equals to xn plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. So, let's substitute is equals to 4x cubed plus 1 over 3 plus 1 plus c. So, add the power exponent. So, 4x by the power of 4 over 4. So, divide 4 divided by 4 is equals to 1. It's considered as x by the power of 4 plus c. So this is the antiderivative power rule. So it is so very simple to understand and solve this one because it is the most common or ito ang pinakasimple sa calculus. So next, we will discuss about a function of x. So example, this is the function of x. Example, given is fx is equals x by the power of 4 plus 8x cubed minus 10x squared. So the formula of function of x is equals to fx is equals the integral of fx dx. So let's substitute. So fx, so the integral of, so kani siya, ilisa na to is the value of fx is x by the power of 4 plus 8x cubed minus 10x squared. So here we will put there dx. So now let's use the power rule in this solution. So fx is equals to mao ni siya na x by the power of 5 over 5 or 5th. It is because we will gamit na to ang xn plus 1 over n plus 1. So example, kani siya. So x, ang exponent is 4 plus 1 over 4 plus 1. So, add x by the power of 5 over 5. So, mao ni siya. So, same ra gihapon siya sa uban. Then, 8x cubed by the power of 4 over 4 minus 10x cubed over 3 plus c. So, to find the function of x, so divide 8 divided by 4 is equals to 2x by the power of 4 minus, di naman siya ma-divide, so i-fraction na lang nato siya. So 10 over 3 x cubed plus c. So this is the function or the answer of the function of x. Did you understand? So now, I have here an example. On your scratch paper, please answer this one. I will give you 3 minutes to answer this one or 2 minutes only. Starts now. Are you done? So, look at your scratch paper you're solving. So, let's find out that if your answer is correct. So, the formula is fx is equals to, wait, the formula is fx is equals the integral of fx dx. So let's substitute. So first, fx is equals to copy integral of x by the power of 4 minus 20x cubed plus 15x squared plus 5. Don't forget the dx. So this is the substitution. So fx is equals to x by the integral of x by the power of 4 minus 20x cubed plus 15x squared plus 5 dx. So next, we will use the power rule. So fx is equals to, we will use power rule. So x is the 4 plus 1 over 4 plus 1. So the answer is x by the power of 5 over 5. The quantity of x by the power of 5 over 5 minus 20x4 over 4 plus 15x cubed over 3 plus 5x plus c. So this is the answer using the power rule. But wala pa tanahuman. You'll find this one. Fx is equals to x 5 over 5 plus, so 20 divided by 4, it is equals to 5. 5x squared plus 15 divided by 3, it equals 5. 5x cubed plus 5x plus c. So this is our answer. So mo na siyang answer. The answer is fx is equals x by the power of 5 over 5 plus 5x by the power of 4 ni siya, sorry, plus 5x cubed plus 5x plus c. So did you understand? Any clarification, violations, or wala mo nasabtan? So it seems that nakasabot na. So we have our analysis. So what can you say about our topic? Who can define antiderivative? Yes. Okay, very good. So it seems that you really understand our topic. Let's have our group activity. Name collaborative learning. This one. I will group you into 5 groups to answer this one. So this is for the group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, and group 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So count 1. Go to your group and answer this one. So I will give you, I have here a bond paper. I have here a bond paper. I will give it to you and your answer will be within here. I will give you 5 minutes to solve this one. 5 minutes for the group activity. No extension. So, I will call one representative to discuss the activity after. So, the timer starts now. Are you done? So, group 1, present your answer. Okay, your answer is correct. Group 2. Yes, very good. Group 3. Okay, very good. So, group 4. What is the formula that you use in your this solving? Okay. This solving group 4 and 5 will use the power rule, and 1, 2, 3 will use the function of x. So, your all answer is correct. So, okay. In your the same group, cite at least one example in the real life or activity that we can apply antiderivative. So, I will give it an assignment. I will give this activity in your group as assignment. So, to sum up the lesson that we tackled today, I will ask questions regarding our lesson. So, who can define antiderivative? Yes. So, very good. So, now, what is the formula of power rule? Okay. And next, what is the formula of function of x? Okay, very good. So, the function or the formula of antiderivative is equals to. So, this is the formula of antiderivative. So, very good. So, since you really understand our lesson, let's evaluate your knowledge by doing this activity. This is not group activity, but it is the individual activity. Let me read the direction. So, write the letter of the correct answer in the space provided before each number. So, erasure means wrong. So, first, read everyone.